Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn Databricks is providing the 50% discount on all certification from the Databricks. So we'll go through the step-by-step process to how to get the 50% discount on the Databricks voucher. So this is the great news for the data and AI professional. You can now get a 50% of discount voucher on all Databricks certification exam. In this video, we will explain how to get a 50% database certification voucher, which certifications are covered, and eligibility and validity details, and step-by-step process to apply the discount. So Databricks certifications cover Databricks Data Engineer Associate, Databricks Data Engineer Professional, Databricks Data Machine Learning Professional, and Databricks SQL Analyst Associate, and more. So this offer is perfect for the student, working professionals, and data engineers, data scientists, big data, and cloud learners. So certifications are provided by the Databricks. Okay, one of the most in-demand platform in the data engineering, Apache Spark and Lakehouse and AI. So this is the registration URL. We'll go through the registration URL. And why should we use this voucher? So save the 50% exam cost, boost your resume and career growth, industry recognized certification, high demand in the data and AI jobs. So this is the page. So Safe Placed Learning Festival 09 January and 30th January 2026. Now you grow your skills and earn rewards. Make your calendar, and this is for the Jan 9 to Jan 30th 2026. So join us for the 3 week event dedicated to learning, upskill, and advancing your career in data engineering, analytics, machine learning, generative AI. Whether you are new to the field and aiming the deep knowledge in this great opportunity to invest your professional development and alongside in global community. To finish all the module listed and list one of the self-placed learning pathway below and customer academy during the event. So there is a 50% discount on the Databricks certification and 20% discount on the yearly Databricks Academy Labs subscription. So this is the start the exploring and learning pathway below. So learning pathway, customer academy, enrollment link. So this is a learning pathway. First is that this is the certification associate data engineering. There is a qualification criteria. Please complete all the modules from the data engineering learning path. So these are the modules. Like that, professional data engineering, there is a 4 modules. You have to complete all the 4, 3, and like this, all the modules are there. So total 8 certifications are there, and there is a module details are there. And you can see this one start on Friday 9 Jan 4 a.m. PST and Saturday 31st 2026 at 4 p.m. PST. So this is the time period. You have to complete all the things. Okay. So now you can log in or you can click on any of this just like AI or B. So when you will click, you will get a sign or register. So when you will click on this one, so SSO, so you can log in, continue with AWS, continue with the GCP, and continue with Azure, or you can put your email address, and continue with the email address. So this is the process. And disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the education information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. Follow and support YouTube. And this is the link: Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Not follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this video with your friends and colleagues, and don't forget to follow, like, share, and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.